Hello and welcome to another one of these ADD videos. Today we're going to look at the product rule. When you're deriving expressions, you first try the power rule if it's in the form of ax to the n, or if you can get it into that form by moving it up or rewriting the radical. Then you use the power rule to take the derivative. Or if it's the chain rule, you've got something raised to a power under a radical, but there's multiple terms underneath. That's the chain rule. Well, what happens when you've got two complex expressions being multiplied? Well, in that case, you use the product rule. Let's consider u and v being the two expressions being multiplied. The product rule says derive one times the other with no change, and then switch it around. Derive the one you didn't derive in the first expression and keep the other one the same. Alright, so derivative of one times the other plus derivative of the other times one. Alright, so what are the steps? Well, I would set up this chart here in which you assign u one expression, v the other expression, you plug in, and then you derive u to get u prime and you derive v to get v prime. If you successfully complete this table, the formula turns out making this little X shape. Okay, so it's u v prime plus, don't forget the plus, v u prime. And then at the very end, simplify if necessary or possible. Alright, so the basic scenario is you'll have multiplication, take the derivative by using this rule. It's pretty straightforward if you do a few of them. I don't recommend doing it until you're familiar with chain rule and the power rule, but once you got those down, you should be just fine. So practice, practice, practice. Check out the example videos. Thank you and have a nice day.